Please hang up and try again.
Hey, what up, guys? It's Ulysses. Today, we're going to be building my computer. I kind of already did the first part. I put my CPU chip into my motherboard. So, yeah, I'm so excited to build this right now. Just watching YouTube videos, trying to figure it out, but I have a lot of friends that can help me if I get stuck along the way. Jan is also here.
I'm kind of helping.
Moral support, and we'll both just figure it out together because never done this before. Just gonna go through, show you guys the parts that I got, and yeah.
Also show them what you've installed so far.
Yeah, I'll show you what I've done so far too. So here we go. We got, it's this is the CPU we have. Like I said, I don't really know much about computers. I was just recommended by a great friend who's very smart and knows his shit. As you can see, I've already installed my CPU and into the motherboard. The card over here, it's really small. It's pretty cool. Here's the box for the SSD. It's 1024 gigabytes of memory. It's Intel brand. This is our power supply. It's Rosewill. Here's our graphics card. It's pretty cool. And here's the case we got. It's white with some RGB lighting at the top and an RGB fan back here. I'm following along with Bitwit's YouTube video on how to build a PC computer step by step. It's been pretty helpful so far, and I'm learning so much as I'm going through this process. So now I'm going to remove the screws from my motherboard to install my cooling fan. Look at that cooling fan for my CPU, because according to Bitwit's video, I don't need those supports on there. So now I'm going to put the fan in. It already has thermal paste on it. All I need to do now is put it on top of the CPU. So I kind of struggled a little bit lining the fan onto my CPU. The screws didn't all line up, so I was having to twiddle and fiddle with it for a little bit, but we finally got it, thank God. We managed to screw in the fan. So I'm going to use my MSI Tomahawk Max motherboard user guide to figure out which DIMM slots I need to plug into. So we're going to go page 14. According to my user guide, it says I need to plug into my DIMM slot 2 first, and then I can do, I guess this would be the DIMM B2 second. According to Bitwit's video, you pop open the little tabs and then you insert your memory sticks with, like, you see the little groove. We're gonna put the groove according to the groove in the motherboard. Second one, done. Next, I'm going to install this little card thing in here. I'm going to put my motherboard inside of the case. There are these little pegs that are put inside the computer already. In the case. And they're supposed to line up with the holes like this. Okay, now I'm screwing in the screws for the motherboard. So I screwed in my motherboard. I popped out this little thing because it didn't line up all the way. And, it doesn't really matter. And next, I'm going to install my power supply right here. This is Bronco.
Hello.
He's going to help me put this in so we can get this show on the road. Because I'm taking too long. It's the NVM SSD. The accessories now. Got our keyboard over here. Razer. Got a mouse. Logitech. We're gonna see if this bad boy will run. Sweet. She's on. Got our keyboard on. Got our mouse on. I'm gonna clean up everything, get it all set up, get Windows going, and then I'll show you guys the end product. Guys, it's done. I have a Razer Black Widow Elite keyboard, and I got a Logitech mouse. I have my Turtle Beach headphones. White is the theme of the computer, as you can see. And yeah, this was such a challenge. I'm so glad we did it in one day, one sitting. Done and done. And honestly, I learned so much about computers today. I had a lot of fun. Thanks to my friend Bronco. He helped a lot with this process. I wouldn't have been able to finish it tonight without his help. He helped with the meat of it and just putting it all into place at the very end. And big shout out to him getting some Windows installed, and we're finally gonna get this show on the road. Gonna hopefully try to do some streaming on here, because that was my original goal on Twitch, so maybe I can do a little bit of both. But yes, overall, so happy, so satisfied. I've been waiting for months to get this computer done, and now that it's here, I am not gonna stop. Yeah, I'm so happy. Stay resistance that I kind of forgot. Little Mr. Poopy Butthole inside the computer. thank you guys for watching my video. I forgot to do closing remarks. I was so excited to get started and just grind that I totally forgot to thank you guys for watching my video. So thanks, like it, subscribe it, whatever, bye.